Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, let me show you guys how to track customer loan usage through Fundbox's API. If you're offering Fundbox financing within your platform, it's essential to monitor how your customers use their credits. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to track customers loan usage through the Fundbox API. Let's get into it. Now, the first step is to access the Fundbox developer portal. So log in at developers.fundbox.com and then navigate to the API documentations for customer loan management. Next is to authenticate your API request. Use your API key or OAuth credentials to authenticate. Be sure that you're operating in either sandbox or live mode as appropriate. Next is to use the /draws or /loans endpoints. To get details about a customer's credit usage, send a GET request to the ID right there, and then this returns a list of all draw transactions, including of course the amount, status, and the repayment info. Next is to monitor repayments and balances. Use the /repayments endpoints to view upcoming or completed payments. Combine data from both endpoints to calculate current balances or utilization rates. Next is to filter by status or date. Apply the query parameters like right there on the screen to narrow down your search. This helps to segment data for analytics or user level insights. Next is to log data for internal dashboard. Store and visualize key metrics like total draw amounts, remaining credits, and of course payment health. Use this data to personalize offers or to support interventions. With the Fundbox API, tracking customer loan state activity is seamless, so stay informed, optimize your user experience, and offer proactive support using the data at your fingertips. And that's pretty much it for this video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.